Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be doing Spark. We got a shopping order, one item, coffee pods, $21? $28. I was just out there in the snow. It's literally snowing outside, so we'll be battling the elements today. Snow, rain, sleet, all of that.
I'd rather snow than rain any day.
Yeah, so this is going to turn into rain though at like 3 o'clock they said, and it's going to turn back to snow. But they're salting the place down, so that's really good. I got my wrapping paper in the back. I don't think y'all can see it, for all the gifts and stuff like that. So yeah, we will see you guys when we get inside the Walmart. Just like that, guys, we secured the bag. They didn't have the first one they wanted, so we had to get the alternate. So always look for replacements when you go into the store. So you're about to drop this off, make a quick little, how much was it? 28 bucks, and we'll see you guys there. Yeah guys, comment down below if you guys seen orders like that. We had multiple orders popping up, but we glad that we saved it for this order right here, because this was like a no-brainer. Like 28 bucks for one little package of coffee. I think he went inside of a church, because it looks like a church to me right here. So they must have really needed that coffee bad. It's Sunday, so I guess they having service or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna show you guys some more scenery. It's snowing, it's snowing, so nice little pretty scenery that he came out of there just now. So we are gonna see you guys in a few. Enjoy the scenery, enjoy the snowy backdrops and all that type of stuff. And yeah, the Christmas vibes is there. So we'll see you guys in a few. Alright y'all, so it's about that time, lunch. Today he has pizza.
I asked her if she wanted some. She always says no. So.
I eat before I leave because I'm not trying to spend money. I'm trying to make money, save money. You know how it is? So yeah. His pizza is real expensive. It was like $9, right?
You know?
How much was it? You said $9. Oh, you didn't get a drink. That's why.
$6.
Yeah, $6. So he's about to eat that. We're about to drive.
That's crazy. It's $3 a slice.
Yeah. This that rich area type stuff. So he about to eat that. We about to drive up to the other Walmart, because the other Walmart is like real popping with the orders today. We're by our usual one, but it's not giving anything right now. So we're about to go up there. See, I did a poll if you guys wanted to talk more. So far, talking is winning. So y'all want us to talk more in between the orders because you want to learn. So we're going to try to explain more of the orders while we're taking this one. We're not going to take the certain ones that we don't take, miles and everything like that. The breakdown of the order, we'll show you the breakdown as well. What kind of orders that we get, basically. So yeah, they keep sending us orders. We're getting like a lot of one item orders today. Our first order that popped up was a thing of earpods and a charger, but we know that Walmart does not ever carry earpods, so we didn't even waste our time taking that one. It was a good order, honestly, but it would have been a waste of time. We'd have got our $3 and, you know, kept it moving. So when we get our order, we will see you guys in a few. How's your pizza?
Delicious.
Yummy. All right, so we'll see you guys in a sec. Hey y'all, so we've been sitting here. So we finally got an order. What is it?
$28, 10 miles, 2 orders.
Yep, so we'll see you guys when we arrive at the Walmart. As you guys can see, it is currently snowing. Do you guys work in this weather or do you guys stay home? Let us know down below. We don't think it's a lot of drivers out here today, to be honest. So the orders are really booming, like I told you guys in the last clip or whatever. So he went in to get our order and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Y'all, so one of the orders that we got does not have a sticker, so we're gonna have to call support and see what they want us to do. So if that ever happens to you guys, make sure you call support, let them know that the store associate did not give you the sticker, so you can see what goes on. Because I don't know, either you have to call support or go back to the store. I think it'll be really hard for them to find a sticker at this point because they have so many orders and stuff like that. So your best bet is just call support, because I'm sure it happens. People forget it's snowing outside, so everything's a little bit more crazy. So yeah, keep that in mind, and we'll see you guys at the next drop off when we figure out what to do with this order. All right, y'all, so I was gonna tell them.
Nah, but we know now, if your sticker is ever ripped or anything, there's a number like on the bottom right. It has a letter in front of it, and you can put that in and it'll scan for you. And to do that, you just go to the scan and you swipe up on the bottom. It's like a little thing. You swipe up and then it's gonna say print label issues. Click on that, put that number in, and you're good to go.
Yep, so now we're gonna do this delivery and you about to see it right now. Alright y'all, so we finally got a batch order, $54. I think it said 31 miles. I think it's like 12 stops or something like that. It could be 14. I'll put it on the screen for you guys so you guys can know. So about to pick that up, and I think I'm up. So I'm gonna be out here doing these snowy drops and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys are like, comment, subscribe. I haven't said that the whole video, but you guys know. You can see the little subscribe buttons I put up there in every little scene. So make sure you do that. Make sure you press that little button. Press the like button because it helps us. Please. Yes. And comment down below so we can know, you know, your thoughts and stuff like that. So we'll see you guys in a few.
She's gonna be pissed when she come back. Had to walk up all them steps. How was your walk?
Terrible.
You loved it?
No.
She has to walk up some more steps. She said she ain't doing this complex no more. Oh, she lucky. She looked at me. She lucky. It's really snowing out here, man. It's crazy. Oh, she got lucky again. What the heck? That's crazy. I was hoping she had to go up them steps. You're lucky again.
What?
Lucky again.
Yep.
Why are you walking like that?
Why you think? So I just finished with all my deliveries. It is so bad out there. It's coming down like crazy. It's not raining where I live at, but up here in the mountains, I mean, sorry, it's not snowing where I live at, but in the mountains, it's coming down like crazy right now. So yeah, I was thinking about bears on that last delivery. I was looking around, I was looking for prints, all that, because I don't play with bears. We don't got no spray in this car.
We got another order.
We got another order, what?
$49, 10 miles.
Oh, what is
Oh,
it?
no. $49, 10 orders.
Oh, 10
I don't
orders.
know what the miles is.
He's up, so he's about to be out there with his Crocs and all that type of stuff in this crazy snowy weather.
I forgot my sneakers.
Yeah, he forgot everything today. His sneakers, he forgot to wake up. He forgot. What else you forgot besides that? Something else you forgot. I forgot what it was. But anyways, well, we'll see you when we get to the Walmart. All right, y'all, so today's lunch or dinner, I got a Hawaiian I got a Hawaiian flatbread. He got a chicken quesadilla. He always want to bite my stuff all the time. No, you're not. No, you're not.
A piece of that, 'cause that don't look good.
But anyway, yeah, that's what I got. That's my first time trying this tropical Hawaiian smoothie place or whatever, so let's see how it tastes. All right, so I'm about to eat my chicken quesadilla thingy. Not chicken quesadilla, but Hawaiian thing. Tastes good. I'm about to eat this, and we're gonna see you guys when we get to the Walmart. Okay? Cheers. They are in the holiday spirit, as you guys can see. They got Jesus over there selling fish. At least I think that's him. Then they got things that says Puppy Land. They're into the spirit. They get really decked out up here in the mountains. So he is going to deliver. Hope he doesn't slip on anything. All right, y'all, I can't really see us, but we got one last order. It's a shop and deliver. What was it? 8 items?
Yeah, 4 items.
4 items. I gotta use the bathroom really, really bad, so we're about to go do that, and then we'll be off the night. So we will see you guys when we get over there. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, all of that. It's super snowy still, and the roads is just a little crazy right now. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a second. Y'all, so that's the end of our video. I'll put whatever we made on the screen. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our video today. So that's pretty much it, and we will see you guys next time.
Peace.
Bye.